that Cobra sounded good, 001. That little old Cobra, I guess you got it on the ground plane or something there, but hey, it sounded good. 001, 51 right back. Hey, 001, let me get out of the way. Got somebody holding a car on me, somebody being kind of silly. Hey, 001, you have a good night there, 51. Hey, that old radio sounded good, no doubt. 51 out of the way. That Cobra 29 sounded good, 001. Should I traded one of them up the other day too? May put it in my truck, may not, don't know. But hey, 001, Cobra 29's working. Have a good night there, and we'll catch you maybe tomorrow or catch you back in the Mobile. 001, 51, back to the coffee. White Diamond in the corner, 51 Virginia.
Hey, Outlaw, 265 Virginia. Yeah, we got you 282. Yep, you got one. Oh, Outlaw, 265 Virginia, break. You might look to Seattle, we're waving it. That was a 30 dB carrier. That was a 30 dB carrier. Locked my needle all the way. Oh, it's 458, 265 Virginia was away. Hey, what's up, Matt Cruz, man? Hey, 321, where you at in the Buckeye break? Don't get back. 265, shit, man. So they're one out here on my best hit, Cobra 29, and I'm back out.
Still got you in there, 001. I got a short gate roller for you too. 001, 51 gone. Hey, Bluegill, good evening around Riverside, 51 Virginia. Sounding good out there, Bluegill, Riverside. Take care, my friend, 51 and gone.
But try one more time there, come on.